while LG C2 offers a sleek design, along with high-quality Ultra HD resolution. Samsung S95b offers a balanced combination of performance and image quality. If you are looking for a TV that offers great value, experience the true power of the latest technologies with an exciting face-off between the LG C2 TV and the Samsung S95b TV in today's video. Design. First impressions are lasting impressions, and it's no different when it comes to TVs. In terms of design, both TVs have their own unique appeal and look stunning in their respective ways. When you first look at LG's C2 TV, you'll be drawn to its sleek, minimalistic design. It's almost frameless and looks like one seamless display. The colors are dark, giving it a sophisticated vibe. The C2 stands out with its slim bezel and its overall slim, lightweight design. Moving on to the S95b, Samsung does well to bring an unexpected twist to the traditional rectangular design. The TV looks like a two-pane window that reveals the world of entertainment. The Samsung S95b has a more utilitarian design look to it with its black metallic bezel and its angled design. This model is a bit thicker than the LG C2 with a depth of 4.4 inches, and it weighs about 8 pounds. It features a classic four-legged stand, although wall mounting is also an option. However, when comparing the S95b to the LG C2, the S95b's panel is thinner than the C2's. It is so thin that you'll have to be careful while lifting the TV. Display. If you're looking for a TV with displays that are as realistic as possible, with clear, vibrant colors, you've found the two TVs. Sharper contrasts can be achieved, especially when using high dynamic range HDR sources. However, black value and brightness are two areas where the two TVs are differentiated. For Samsung S95b, the screen may reach a brightness of over 1,000 nits. This is excellent performance for OLEDs, and since the nearly perfect black values only serve to deepen and undergird the superb picture, the television may subsequently be used as a showcase. The Samsung S95b, however, is not limited to low light conditions. You could miss a few details here and there in bright sunshine, especially in low light situations. Nonetheless, the picture quality is guaranteed by the very high brightness and the strong anti-reflective coating. If you're to ask Frank Lloyd Wright, he'd say television is chewing gum for the eyes. For LG C2, design limitations limit its ability to display HDR content with persistently bright areas. But otherwise, it competes with Samsung in terms of brightness, which is around 1,000 nits. And although the LG C2 falls short, it excels because it is compatible with Dolby Vision for TV shows, movies, and video games. The Samsung S95b, like the LG G2, runs on an OS designed by the company themselves. Tizen is what Samsung TVs run on, whereas WebOS powers LG TVs. Which operating system would likely triumph in a head-to-head matchup? Find out in a few minutes. Smart TV features. As the name implies, smart TVs offer more than traditional TV sets.
I can use one of these.
With a range of useful features that enhance your viewing experience and keep you connected. The LG C2 and the Samsung S95b certainly fit the bill. But how do they compare? When it comes to features, both TVs are packed with the latest smart TV tech. The LG C2 comes with its WebOS platform, which is designed to make navigating your TV easy and intuitive. In addition, it comes with built-in access to a plethora of streaming services such as Netflix, Hulu, and more, as well as a link to apps directly from the TV. It's also got a built-in AI with Google Assistant for voice commands, so you can control your TV hands-free. Subscribe now to get the latest updates on TV reviews. Plus, we'll provide tips and tricks for getting the most out of each set. Don't miss out on picking the right TV for you. The Samsung S95b also has a range of smart TV features.
I watch a lot of TV and movies.
It runs on their Tizen platform, which is also designed to make navigating your TV simple and intuitive. It's got direct access to many of the same streaming services as the LG C2, as well as access to a wide variety of apps. It also has voice control capabilities with Samsung's Bixby Assistant, which allows you to control your TV without even having to pick up the remote. Performance. When comparing the Samsung S95b to the LG C2, the advantages of quantum dots OLED are instantly obvious. Starting with the LG C2, this TV has a top-of-the-line 4K resolution and HDR10 support, providing excellent picture quality. This is complemented by a wide color gamut and improved motion handling, which make for a smooth and immersive viewing experience. The C2 also comes with 120 Hz refresh rate, meaning you'll get non-stuttery action and crisp details when enjoying your favorite sports and movies. Moving on to the Samsung S95b, it has similar specs to the LG C2. It offers the same 4K resolution with HDR10+ and a 120 Hz refresh rate too, but it comes with an advanced quantum dot layer, which provides more vivid and realistic colors with less blooming than OLED panels. Plus, the S95b has more local dimming zones, providing better contrast and black levels. In a short time, you'll be able to determine which of the two televisions is most affordable for you. Price: the Samsung S95b is only available in two sizes, 55 and 65 inches, at a price tag of $2,199.99 and $2,999.99 respectively. The S95b is more expensive than most of its OLED competitors due to its superior display technology. But if you're looking for a TV that's less than 55 inches or more than 65 inches, the LG C2 has you covered. It comes in 42, 48, 55, 65, 77, and 88 inches, with prices ranging from $1,399.99 to $5,499.99, depending on the size. Both the LG C2 TV and the Samsung S95b offer superior picture quality, clear audio, and a variety of features. But if you're looking for a truly immersive experience, the Samsung S95b is the way to go. However, which TV offers the best gaming experience? Check out our linked video as we compare the LG C2 versus Samsung S95b Ultimate Gaming Comparison. Thank you for watching and have a great day.